Welcome back. You're watching News Now at 8. It's India's largest public broadcaster, controlling Doordarshan and All India Radio, an autonomous corporation that's meant to be above commercial and profit motives and funded entirely by taxpayer money, which is why the allegations of corruption at the very top of Prasar Bharati can't be stepped or brushed aside. As Poonam Agarwal now reports, the allegations of financial irregularities against Chief Executive Prasar Bharati, a man who hold enormous powers, are now more than just a murmur.
His name is B S Lalli. And as the CEO of Prasar Bharati, he decides how your taxpayer money is spent to run public broadcasting in India. This despite the Central Vigilance Commission carrying out an inquiry against him for almost a year now. The charges against him seem to go beyond financial irregularities.
The documents were very difficult to obtain because there was possibly a conscious effort not to cooperate with the inquiries, is to withhold the information, to delay, to sort of even doctor the information and the records, which I think had been the case here also.
The charges of mismanagement at Prasar Bharati emerged last May after Arun Bhatnagar made a dramatic series of charges, saying, as per this affidavit, that the deplorable state of affairs in Prasar Bharati at present and the widespread impression in respect of rampant corruption and various types of irregularities, that it is urgently necessary to institute an independent, comprehensive and time-bound inquiry.
बोर्ड में मेंबर्स भी जो भी मसले रखते थे, जिन पर वो तर्क वितर्क करना चाहते थे, वो तर्क वितर्क वो करने नहीं देते थे, वो अपने को हमेशा ऊपर रखते थे.
The question is whether a man whose role is under the CVC's scrutiny should continue to run Prasar Bharati in the way he deems fit.
High Court had given an interim order and thereafter the final judgment. Interim order made various directions that he must act in accordance with the board's resolutions, that he cannot exercise any powers except those given by the board. He is still continuing to defy the orders of the board. He is still acting as a law unto himself, and that is why we were forced to file a contempt petition against him, in which notice has been issued, contempt notice has been issued to him by the High Court.
So why isn't the government, which funds Prasar Bharati, stepping in? It seems the corporation's constitutional autonomy is the factor.
Question is in the High Court or later on in the Supreme Court. You don't expect that I should make a comment. You are right that the Supreme Court has asked for an inquiry into some financial issues which were raised in a PIL. And the CVC is obviously still looking at it, because I have not heard of any report which has come from them.
So should the CBI step in, or should this gentleman step aside till he's cleared? As of now, the onus is on Mr. Lalli alone. With Poonam Agarwal in New Delhi, Vikram Sawant, Times Now.
That's all from me, Rahul Shivshankar, in this edition of News Now at 8. Thank you for watching. Good night.